The question says that what is the net flux of uniform electric field of exercise 1.14 through a cube of side 20 cm oriented so that its faces are parallel to the coordinate plane. Now we know from the previous exercise that electric field was given as 3 × 10⁻³ I cap Newton per coulomb, or it was directed towards the positive x-axis. Now from Gauss law we know that net flux through any closed surface depends upon the charges enclosed, and it is given by the expression phi net, or the net flux, is equals to Q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Now Q enclosed is the charge enclosed by that area. Now in this question we have been given that the cube of the side of cube is of 0.2 meter, but there is no any statement suggesting any charge inside the cube, so phi, or the flux, is going to be 0 according to Gauss law. And also we can say that the uniform field lines enter and exit the cube, and thus net flux through the cube is going to be 0. Thank you.